I'm going to show you how to make a rich and simple chicken stock. It's really easy and a great way to reduce waste and get the most out of your roast chicken. So I've got a leftover chicken carcass here for my roast dinner, and what I'm going to do is take off all the little shreds of meat that I can find and place them in a bowl, and we can use those for fried rice, soups or salads. So once they're all taken off, we'll just put them in a little packet and we'll freeze them. Make sure you turn the chicken over too, there's lots of little meaty bits on the underside. Okay, so now we've got all the meat off, we're going to place the carcass in a large pan and cover with cold water. I'm going to slice an onion in half, no need to remove the skin, and add that to the pan too. Then I've got a carrot that's been washed, again no need to peel, just break that in half and throw it in, and a stick of celery, which we'll just roughly break up as well, and throw that in. And finally we'll add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you've got any drippings from your roasting tin, you can also scrape those off and add those in too. Now I'm going to bring that to the boil and then turn down the heat to low and simmer that for about 4 to 5 hours until it's reduced by about 2/3. We're going to get all the goodness and nutrition out of those chicken and veggies to make the most amazing stock. I'm using chicken today, but you can use lamb, beef, duck, turkey, anything you like really. After the stock is reduced right down, we're going to strain it over a sieve. Then separate into tubs or mason jars. Leave it to cool and place a lid on, and that should keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Or you can transfer it to a freezer-safe container or bag, so you've always got some amazing stock on hand for soups, sauces and gravies.